Hi, this is Ray. I'm with Fast Car Decals and Ray's Auto Trim. Wanted to shoot an install video for a real popular kit that I sell a lot of and install a lot of, and here's a couple little things that make this job a little more easier. I thought I'd pass it on. It's actually called the Challenge 15 Dual Kit, or the 15 Challenge Dual Kit for the 15 models and up, but it will also fit 11 through 14, so I've sold them on those models as well. But it's a factory knockoff type stripe, factory style stripe, and a couple of things that make this job easier. I wanted to pass that on to you. So let's go to the other side. A couple of things I wanted to talk about. Had somebody send in a request for how warm should it be. Right now it's kind of cloudy here where I'm at, and it's probably 70 degrees in the shade, but the car feels cool, doesn't feel hot. That's usually the best time to do it. It's a little humid out, so you might want to watch that, but you don't want it to be extremely hot. Reason is the stripes will set up too fast and doesn't give you a chance to move things around. But one of the things I wanted to talk to you about is when you do this kit, I suggest doing the door first, doing the middle first. And the great thing about our kits is everything's pre-cut, fits like it should, and even under here there's a notch where the mirror goes, so you know where it goes. And so you would do the hinge method. You'd put another piece of stripe here, or masking tape, or whatever you use, fold this over, squeegee it out, do the same for here. The back part, I wanted to show you the way this kit comes. It actually comes two ways. It comes with the RT, but it also comes with a strobe. So this back piece has a strobe for non-RT models, and it looks really nice. So what we do is you put that on, and you just remove this back strobe section, and then the kit comes with the sometimes your arms just aren't long enough, and put the RT on the back end, and that makes your RT. Or like I said, if it's a non-RT, just leave the strobe on, and it looks real nice. One of the things about these kits is they are cut to fit. So one of the things that you want to do when you put on this piece here is you want to kind of bring it past the almost to the next door, and give you a little bit of tape to roll into the edges. And that gives it a clean look when you can just tuck it in there, and you shouldn't have to do any trimming at all. Same way with the front. The front stripe will run right along that body line. You'll get it up there where you want, tape it up, have it just a little bit further this way. That way you can kind of roll it in. Give it a little time to set up, take the pre-mask off, and it's done. It'll look like this side over here. I usually tell folks to allow about 72 hours for it to completely set up before you go washing and things like that. Never wax these stripes. And also, somebody asked me the other day, hey, what do you use to clean this cars that you do? One of the things I really like to use is a little thing called denatured alcohol. It's perfectly safe on the paint, actually just evaporates. There's even no wiping it off, but that's what I use. There's plenty of good products out there. Do not use Windex or things like that, because it does leave a residue, and it kind of attacks the adhesive on the stripe. But just wanted to pass on a couple little install tips for the Dual 15 Challenger kit, 2015 and up. And I hope you enjoyed. And if you have any questions, please send them, and please subscribe. And thanks again. Fast Car Decals and Ray's Auto Trim.